Hey, has this ever happened to you? You got amazing weekend plans coming up. You got the whole family invited, friends coming over. You want to get some barbecuing done, get out on the grill, get everything set up, and then this happens. Rain. Hey, don't let the rain ruin your plans this weekend. We got the solution. Here at Custom Design and Build, we're going to put an Azenco R-Shade on top of this deck to give this customer some shade and some reprieve from the rain so their weekends don't stop. They can flawlessly entertain their guests, hang out with their family, and enjoy meals. Follow us along and I'll show you how we do it.